Cat. She is actually chasing her tail. I only thought the dogs did that. Yeah, but she's cute anyway.
She's on daddy's top.
Get your tail. Oh, fine, you little monkey butt. Get your tail. Get your tail. And she is doing this in a lid for the Monopoly electronic banking game. She is just hilarious. Start up again. Cleaning herself and starting back up. Yeah. Crazy cat.
Hey, baby. Now we can bring her over to Jen.
How?
She's picking us up.
Ooh, she getting ready to pounce. Is she gonna pounce on Daddy? Well, don't worry, baby. I actually have her chasing her tail on video. Hey, Missy, leave them cords alone.